Hi, in front of me is GIGASET GS190 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this GIGASET. First of all, go into Play Store and type iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Allow and tap Home button. Choose iOS Launcher by clicking on it and tap on Always. Lastly, click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!